Hello, this is the video for the production prototype of the iPump. Just as a starter, I'm showing myself connecting it to an infusion set. This is a market or produced infusion set. Obviously what I'd like to do is create a custom infusion set that allows easy mounting of the pump on the body. Here's a side view of the pump. In a minute you'll see a tape measure appear, and it's actually 7mm in depth, thickness, which makes it a lot thinner than just about every pump on the market. Use a parallax, so it looks a little bit more than 7mm, but it is actually 7mm. And then we'll get a measurement of the length. It's about 50. That's not a good view. We'll pick it up in a minute and get a better view. And that could be, all these dimensions could be a little bit smaller. I reckon we could reduce it certainly by about 10%. That's actually about 35 width, 35mm. You can see the LED, there's a little green LED there, flashing away. You can just about see it. That means it's waiting for a Bluetooth connection. So here's a back. That's the battery on the back. That battery is only 2mm thick, so it lays over the components. See my other video to look at the internals, or clearly look at the internal components. Okay, this is a view in my hand to give you a better idea of size. Okay, there's a better view there. And what we're going to do next is operate it. More details on operation are in the other video. First we're going to prime the pump. This is really just I'll give you a very quick idea of how it might be primed. It isn't the final. There's a little reservoir pipe sticking out there, or tube I should say, and what you do is you prime it until it come out of the infusion set, or the connector to the infusion set, and then you connect it to the infusion set itself. It would be on your body by this time, obviously. It's so small that you could have it on your arm, or your leg, or your tummy. Would be a good position to have it. It has a little vibration motor in it, which will signal to you, so you don't have to look at it. You don't have to look at the LED. You can feel what's going on, much like a mobile phone vibrates. So I'm going to put some insulin into it now. Okay. And now we're going to request a number of units. Each press is 1 unit. We're requesting 1 unit. You can see the LED flash for confirmation of each button press, and you also get a vibration. You just about hear it clicking away, and there is the insulin coming out right there. There it is. So we'll do that again. LED is still flashing because it's not Bluetooth connected to either to a mobile phone, so we can operate it manually. So this should be under your clothes. You can operate it manually through your clothes, and have confirmation via the vibration motor of what's going on. So once you've decided how many units you want, by pressing the buttons, you wait 3 seconds. It vibrates the motor again to ask you for confirmation that you want to start pumping. Press it again, say yes to start pumping. If you don't press the button to confirm, it will just abort. Here's the insulin soaked up. There we are. So next thing we're going to look at is the mobile phone. Presently a very simple program on the mobile phone, just for the prototyping purposes. There we are. There's the link in the top left hand corner. There's the Bluetooth link, and there we are. It says pump connected. Okay, in the background the red LED isn't, the green LED is not flashing anymore because it's got a connection. I've requested 8 units, and now I'm going to request it to pump. There you go. It will give feedback as it pumps, and there's the insulin coming out. So this would be via a mobile phone. Certainly any Sony Ericsson mobile phone, and haven't yet developed it for any other mobile phone, but it should work on most other mobile phones. The only one that I'm not looking at the moment is the iPhone, but it's unlikely I'll be able to get that to work because they've locked down all the Bluetooth profiles. But I'm going to take a look at it. Here again, I'm just showing no hands touching the button, and once again I've requested via the mobile phone to pump some insulin, and there it is. I'm looking to take this to market, and I'm looking for somebody to help me do that.